everybody, and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because my Boxycharm Base box for, what month are we in? April. Wow, that's where I'm at. It's really late in the day. Anyways, this is the Boxycharm Base box for April 2021. We're gonna go ahead and be unboxing it. Anything and everything makeup related in here. I will be coming back and doing a full look with hopefully there's a palette in here for me to do the look, but unfortunately it's really late in the day. I was filming over on my vlog channel a torrid plus size curvy girl fashion haul, so I try and keep my makeup really neutral when I'm filming those kind of videos. So I'm just really hoping that the one thing in here is in here, but I'm rambling. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My husband just came into the kitchen, so I hear him, which is completely throwing your girl off. Anyways, guys, over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, review makeup, sneak peek, spoiler makeup. We do all the things over here. So stick around, subscribe, let's be friends. By the way, my top is from Amazon. If it is still available, I will link it down below. I bought it a while back. So anyhow, let's go ahead and jump on in. Are you standing over there? What are you doing? You heard me? Are you dancing? Babe, you... Okay, wait. Stop. Those are for Haley. Okay guys, so a little information about the Boxycharm Base box. This is $25 a month. Sorry, my husband literally was dancing right behind the camera. Anyways. This box is $25 a month. You do get to customize one of the items in the box, and this was sent to me in PR, so it was shipped with the premium box. So I do have my mail scale over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it for you guys on the mail scale. I am so thrown off right now. I hope I told you guys, $25, customize one item. You do get about $125 worth of goodies in the box. So on my mail scale, it does come to 1 pound, 3.4 ounces. When we open the box, this is what it looks like. I have no idea what that is about. But there is a card in here. So on the card, every single month it is themed with, all the boxes are themed as far as that goes. And this is the Sweet Treats theme. On the other side, we do have information of everything inside of the box, retail value, little, you know, some little information on everything in here. And the first item, I'm jumping right into the one item I was hoping for. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first item here is the Jubilee Palette by Natasha Denona. Let's go ahead and swatch. You guys, if you don't know, Natasha Denona, I love the eyeshadow formula of Natasha Denona. It was one of, actually, it was the first eyeshadow luxury. Hold on, let me form my words because I'm literally geeking out inside over this palette. The Natasha Denona, actually I have it here, Star Palette, was the first luxury eyeshadow palette that I saved up and was able to purchase, and it just has a special place in my heart. And I remember, like, when I bought that palette and I was wearing that palette to work and everything, I would get so many compliments, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it must be her formula. So anyways, yeah, anytime I see Natasha Denona formula or shadows are available, whatever, I freak out. I just, in this shade right here, is that from, hold on, because that was far creamier than the one, and is it Mint Frost? Because I think it is, but the one in this Natasha Denona 5-pan is so much better. I think that's why the Tropic palette, oh, that is so pretty. I can't wait to create a look. So if you don't know, and if you're still here, thank you, because wow the interruptions and wow the brain farts. But if you don't know, Natasha Denona takes shades from other palettes, which I think we just saw the mint shade was from the Tropic palette, and I think this yellow shade is from there as well. So this one did not get the best reviews. So if you guys don't know, Natasha Denona takes shadows from other palettes, which as we saw, the mint shade I believe came from this Tropic palette. It could have come from her green palette that she used to have. I really don't know. I'm just at this point all over the place. But what she does is she takes colors from other palettes and then she curates a 5-pan palette for Boxycharm. So I don't think that this palette is actually for sale anywhere. I think that this was just customized specifically for Boxycharm, if I understood correctly. And it does have, yeah, the Mint Frost is in fact from this Tropic palette. So I'm assuming, let's see here, the Limoncello, yeah. So I know offhand these two shades, which I think part of it is my fault too, because this one is nice and creamy. So I hard pan things really easy because I'm a ding dong and use my finger when I have product on my finger. So don't do that. Don't do that. But anyhow, this is so pretty. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. This is all I wanted. Honestly, I don't even care what's in the rest of the box. This is it. That's all I wanted. It does have a retail value of $48, and it does say this is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas, made with the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals and pearls, cruelty-free, allergy-free, and I am excited. I absolutely, and I mean, as you can tell in my Tropic palette, I love that shade. And you guys, it took me forever and a day to figure out how I was hard panning. It wasn't just this palette. It's multiple palettes from when I first started my channel that I did this to. You guys told me if I took a piece of tape over it, I could fix it. But anyhow, I digress. That's not what this video is about. Okay, I cannot wait to create a look with this palette though. Oh my gosh, so pretty. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes today, which it's been on for a very long time, but it's still, I think, going pretty strong. It's the Luster Charm palette by Alter Ego. Code Hotmess does save you 10% on this, and you'll get it for like 19 bucks or something. Okay, moving on to the next item in here is the Laura Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick in Metallic. Battery Park Bronze is the shade name. Ooh, okay. That is not a color I'm comfortable with. It is all very, very pretty. You know what? Just looking at it, I feel like my stepmom would absolutely love this color. I mean, this is just all about her color wheelhouse or whatever it's called. So that's going to be gifted over to her. A little information about the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. It does have a retail value of $21. It's the Artisan Baked Pigments and Rich Moisturizers. Saturate lips with creamy, vibrant colors that feels weightless and lasts all day. A curved bullet shaped allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. So, oh, the next item is the Dragon Beauty Color Corrector in Lavender. And I did, a while back, get the orange shade. Oh, that's not as purpley as I was expecting. You guys see that? I honestly, for some reason, I really, like, I expected, like, purple, like, what's in my hair kind of purple. But this is more of, like, a really, like, pink. But you guys told me I really need to try the peachy shade that had come in one of our boxes a while back. I have it in backup over there. So, you guys said just go in very light-handed because it'll get kind of thick. So, anyways, a little information about this. It does have a retail value of $25, and it's a color corrector that helps conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. It is saturated with vitamin E as well as vitamin A, and it blends effortlessly and offers customization light to full coverage. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or a beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation. So, I honestly, I am not one that was really big in color correcting, but then we received the Jekka Black, and a lot of you guys were like, Ronnie, you need to try it. Just try it. And when I had like my sinus infection and everything, my under eyes were just going through it. So I've been wearing this and I really like it. It's really thin and it blends out beautifully. Next, this was actually a choice item, and this is by Earth Harbor. This is the Aurora Superfood Apoli. I never say that right. I don't know why I struggle with that. I have received this in the past, I think from another, was it Bella Skin Box maybe? And I have tried them out, and I can tell you guys I really like this, and it's really great for your skin. It's natural, ethical, C-active, plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, small batch made, and woman owned. So we love that. So a little information about this. It does have a retail value of $32. It says, give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil. So yeah, it's got very calming. So for me, if I've done like dermaplating, I like to go in with things like this to just really help to calm my skin down. So anywho, it does have grapeseed oil, neem seed extract, and it energizes and soothes the skin while revealing a dewy luminous. So anyways, $32 retail value. And again, I really think you're gonna like this if you did pick it up, because again, if I do any type of dermaplaning, or if I've done like, I'm trying to think, like a microderma, like the microderm tool, you know, where you can suck out the exfoliating, or you can exfoliate and everything on the skin. I love to go in with things like this because it really helps to just chill the skin back out. The next item, and you guys actually put down in my comment section how to say it, and I think I forget. So Tara Mars. This is a body cleanser, and I was really hoping to get this because I like bougie skincare or bougie body washes, but I don't always want to buy them, so I love when I get them in my subscription. Oh, this smells good. This smells really nice. So little information about this. This does have a retail value of $22. It is an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin with aloe vera nutrients that softens. And it has more, to me, I smell more of like a citrusy scent to it than like coffee or rosemary. Yeah, I think it smells really good. Let me go ahead and total everything up for you guys. Okay guys, so everything in this box, which again is $25 a month, you do get to customize one item in here, came to a total of $148. What are my thoughts? I'm pretty sure you guys know my thoughts. I would have been, I don't know what happened with my lighting. I guess because I'm filming at different times. Anyways, I would have been happy with just this for $25. I love Natasha Denona, as I said, but I do think everything else, I mean, I wanted this and I love this. I've tried it in the past. I mean, I've got two products that I don't really like. The one is the shade is just not for me. And as far as this goes, I'm down to try it out, you know, and see how it works and everything. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below on yours. My paid for box I have not received just yet. I think I got a notification it shipped, or maybe it was my my add-ons have shipped, I'm not for sure. But don't forget to make your choices on the 19th of April for the base and the premium box, and then add-on will be opening up. So I'm super excited about that. Anyways guys, I'm gonna hop off and film the premium unboxing for you guys, and let me know your thoughts. What was the one thing you are most excited about? I will be coming back, and yes, I'm gonna do a dedicated video for this because it deserves it. I love Natasha Denona formula, so that is why we're not seeing a video. That, and plus it's like really late in the day. So anyways guys, sorry I was all over the place. I was freaking geeking, a little too excited, and the husband threw me off with the shaking the booty dance he was doing. I wish I had like quick hands and I could have flipped the camera for you guys. Anyways, don't forget to check me out over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Check me out over on Instagram, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.